me. Hey, it's me, Jam Ringo. Hang on, I'll come over. Hey, man.
Well, blow me down if it isn't Jam Ringo. Hello, mate.
G'day, man.
So, what's got you tangled up in this horribly significant yet refreshingly convenient web of intrigue?
You wouldn't believe it, Peter Butter, famous music recorder, some factory worker on the side.
The one and only, but don't go saying it too loud, alright? Trying to be incognito.
You're incognito, I get you, man. I have to be the same, that's why I'm wearing these dark shades, you know.
Have you got the goods?
Well, I've got the illicit lyrics for that song that you wrote. The lyrics are great, though.
I didn't write them myself, so I needed you.
Music recorders never do. I need to get to the sitar.
And to get to the sitar you will, but first you're gonna need this.
No way, this thing's wild. Can I keep in my pocket?
Get into the groovy cave.
The groovy cave, satirical insanity.
That's right.
The one and only.
Put it in your pocket, keep it safe.
Thanks, mate.
Only take it out when you reach the cave. Okay.
We gotta split. Peter
Always a
Butter.
pleasure.
And good luck with your magnum opus. I'll catch you on the flip.
You'll see it out later this month.
I will see it. I'll hear it more like.